space. An endless voyage through vast eons. Such tenacity from scientists drove the creation of devices to explore the abyss. What other life forms could exist? What other worldly worlds exist beyond our own? Scientists wanted to view far and beyond of what other matters exist. Through this, their creation of the Hubble Space Telescope helped scientists observe comets and planets, black holes, discovery of moons orbiting Pluto, providing an understanding of the formation of surrounding galaxies and galaxies beyond. Images captured provided more of an understanding of the universe. Now, scientists have been shown a new image, something they could not fathom. Let's summarize NASA's progression and how they managed to capture the most astonishing images taken since in history. For those who may not know, but this contraption was initially conceived in the 1940s with a much different name, the Large Space Telescope. After intense planning and meticulous research, the Hubble Space Telescope was born and launched on April 24, 1990. Between the 1940s and from its first initial launch, the mapping behind the production and support took years before the device headed towards the stars. It wasn't until late 1957, when the Soviet Union launched their first artificial satellite, Sputnik 1, that sparked the space race between the United States and Soviet Union. The following year, Congress introduced and successfully passed the Space Act, ultimately resulting in the National Aeronautics and Space Administration, NASA. That same year of deployment, what is considered the first light image was taken in mid-May. Noticeably at first, the Hubble's resolution were 50% sharper compared to the images received on ground base. In late August, once again, the Hubble captured an astonishing image. The supernova 1987A. This was ultimately released and published to the press, astonishing many readers. These captivating findings only pushed the department to unveil other mysteries beyond the black abyss. Within a few years, the Hubble captured one of its most iconic images, the Eagle Nebula. It was also nicknamed Pillars of Creation, revealing dense pockets of interstellar gas. Released early mid-January of 1996, astronomers released their most detailed image of the universe at its time. This alone involved over 340 separate exposures taken with their wide-field and planetary camera too. The astronomers then released another astonishing image in March of 2004. This image displays 10,000 galaxies in a small area of the sky. The exposures taken were made from a series of 1 million seconds of observation. This image portrays galaxies dating back to the period shortly after the Big Bang. Over the course of the years, the Hubble continued to capture images beyond what they could have imagined. A vast array of designs the universe constructed with mixtures of characters and color. Through each mission, the Hubble has shared an array of explicitly detailed images capturing visuals of the cosmos, orbiting the Earth, taking breathtaking images of galaxies, nebulae, and other celestial objects. Through technological advancements, the Hubble telescope has given us a glimpse into the vastness of the universe, and has allowed us to see things we never thought possible. However, NASA's recent discovery tells us that not everything is what it usually seems. In previous images, galaxies are commonly seen in a spiral structure. They are characterized by a rotating disk of stars, gas, and dust that spirals around a central bulge. The arms of spiral galaxies are not fixed in place. They rotate around the galactic center, like a pinwheel. The rotation speed is fastest near the center and slows down towards the outer edges of the galaxy. Spiral galaxies are often sites of active star formation. The gas and dust in the arms of the galaxy can become compressed, leading to the formation of new stars. Some spiral galaxies have a central bar-shaped structure that runs through the bulge. These are known as barred spiral galaxies. However, this discovery has left scientists puzzled. A stunning image captured by the NASA/ESA Hubble Space Telescope captures an irregular spiral galaxy NGC 5486 suspended against a backdrop of distant and faint galaxies. The galaxy's delicate disk is adorned with delicate pink wisps of star formation, contrasting the bright core's diffused glow. While NGC 5486 exhibits undefined and meandering spiral arms, it resides in close proximity to the larger and more prominent Pinwheel galaxy, known for its impressive and well-defined spiral arms. Interestingly, the Hubble Space Telescope photographed the Pinwheel galaxy in 2006, producing the largest and most detailed image of a spiral galaxy at the time. NGC 5486 is located 110 million light-years away from Earth in the constellation Ursa Major. This observation was taken from a series of Hubble images that explore the remnants left behind by Type II supernovae. As massive stars reach the end of their lives, they release vast amounts of gas and dust before meeting their explosive end in supernova explosions. In 2004, NGC 5486 experienced a supernova, and astronomers used Hubble's advanced camera for surveys to investigate the aftermath, hoping to gain insight into these catastrophic events. Do you believe this galaxy is the first of its kind or one of many that has yet to be discovered?